A running toilet can waste a lot of water and increase your water bill. Today, I'll show you how to fix a running toilet using a few simple checks. First, remove the toilet tank lid and place it somewhere safe. Most running toilets are caused by the flapper, the rubber seal at the bottom of the tank. If it's warped, cracked, or not sealing properly, water will keep flowing. Make sure the flapper is sitting flat and the chain has a little slack. If the chain is too tight or too loose, adjust it so the flapper can close fully. Next, check the float. If the water level is too high, adjust the float so the tank stops filling about an inch below the overflow tube. Flush the toilet and watch how it refills. If the water shuts off properly, the problem is fixed. Most of these parts are inexpensive and easy to replace if needed. For more simple, no-stress home fixes, like the video and subscribe to The Daily Fix.